access an assignment in the stream or in the classwork section. To view the assignment, click the title and it will show you a drop-down option. Notice that there is an attached Google Doc with your name on it. Click the View Assignment to see the details of the post. At the top portion, you can see the assignment title, points, and due date. At the bottom of the instructions, you can leave a class comment or a question which you will think will benefit the whole class. Remember that your comment here is public, so all students are able to see it. If you want to send a private message to your teacher, you can use the Private Comment tab on the lower right portion of the page. This is for comments or questions you only want your teacher to see. Now click on the attachment to start working on your assignment. To submit the assignment, click Turn In at the upper right corner of the document. Hit this button once you are ready and completely finished. If you are not yet finished and want to continue at some other time, simply exit the Google Doc and it will automatically save on your Google Drive. Clicking back to the document will take you back to your progress so that you can continue working on your assignment. Once done with your assignment, you can click the Turn In button and confirm your submission. Notice an Unsubmit button. You can unsubmit your assignment if you think your work needs more editing. You can unsubmit as long as it is not past the due date. Now, you can navigate back to your class and see your other assignments. Notice that the assignment is now turned in. You have successfully submitted your assignment.